Some meals just taste like home, no matter where you are. Egg curry was always the ultimate weeknight savior growing up. Simple, comforting, and incredibly rich. Hi friends. Welcome to Hot and Sweet. Let's start with our recipe. Ingredients are as follows. Roast some dry coconut. Grind them until fine paste. Onions, to finely chopped. Ginger garlic paste, 1 spoon. Red chili powder, as per your taste. 1 lime juice. Here I am taking 6 hard-boiled eggs. In a pan add oil and let it heat. Then add chopped onions. Fry until onions looks this golden. Then add in your coconut paste. And fry the base nicely. Add ginger garlic paste. Cook them on medium heat for 7 to 8 minutes, stirring frequently. This is how our masala or the base of our gravy looks. Turn the heat to low. Add the turmeric, Kashmiri chili powder. Stir constantly for 2 minutes. Add salt to taste and continue stirring. You'll know it's ready when the mixture darkens slightly and the oil begins to separate from the sides of the masala paste. Pour in 1 glass of water. Stir well to scrape up all the brown bits from the bottom of the pan. Bring it to a simmer, cover, and let it cook for 5 minutes until the gravy thickens slightly. Gently slide the eggs into the gravy. Cover and simmer on low heat for 3 to 4 minutes, so the eggs absorb the flavors. Sprinkle in the fresh coriander. Add in lime juice. And let it sit covered for 2 minutes before serving hot with steamed basmati rice or flaky lachcha paratha. Let me know in the comments if you are trying this tonight. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy recipes. Happy cooking!